Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another probability problem, and we're going to be asking ourselves, how many stops will this bus make? This bus has n people on it, and it has 20 stops on its itinerary. At every single stop, each passenger will individually make the decision to get on, to keep on the bus, or if they're going to get off. And they each make this decision independently, meaning that every passenger could decide to get off the bus all at once, or they could spread it out. They could do whatever they want. But they have to get off the bus at one point, and no new people are allowed on the bus. So, we would like to know what's the expected amount of stops this bus will take. And if you can guess, we will be using expected value to figure this out. So let's get on with the math. First, we'll be using an indicator. It'll be determined by IN, and N is capital here, that's important. And it will be an indicator for someone who got off the bus or did not get off the bus. So 1 will mean that they got off, and 0 will mean they did not get off the bus. The probability that 1 gets off at a stop is 1 out of 20, because there's 20 stops on the route, and each is equally likely, so every stop has a 1 in 20 chance of a person getting off, or each individual has a 1 in 20 chance of getting off at that stop. And so the chance of no one getting off, or the chance of not getting off at that stop, is 19 out of 20. And this is to the power n, which is the amount of people on the bus. So this is the probability that no one gets off at a stop, at any stop n, which is the amount of stops it'll take. And so the probability that at least one person gets off at a stop will be 1 minus that probability. Now, what we'll do is that we'll let x be the number of stops that the bus will take. So this will be the expected number of stops. Here we're going to take the expected value of x, which will be the expected value of each of these stops having a person getting off, all the way up to the 20th stop. So it'll be 20. And since they all have equal probabilities, we can sum these all up, and it'll be 20 times the expected value of I, which is equal to this number here. So we can plug that in, and then we can get an expected value for the amount of bus stops this bus will take. Now here, there is still a variable. It's because we don't know the amount of people on this bus. But let's say if we had 20 people on this bus, we could plug in 20 here and then get an expected value, which is a numerical number. But it allows us to have any number of people on this bus. That'd be 1,000 or 100 or 1,000. It could be one person on this bus. So yeah, that's the solution. Thank you for watching.